I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the glider paper airplane. First, take a standard sheet of paper, about 8.5 by 11 inches. Fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold it to create a clear center crease. Next, carefully fold the top two corners inward so their edges meet that center crease perfectly. This forms the initial nose of your glider. Now take the new top point and fold it down so it aligns with the bottom edge of your previous folds. This creates a more defined nose. Then, fold the new top corners inward once more, making sure they meet the center crease. Press down firmly on all your folds to ensure they are sharp and symmetrical. This precision is key for a stable flight. Next, fold the entire airplane in half along that original center crease you made earlier. This will bring the two sides together. Now, it's time to create the wings. Fold down each wing, aligning its top edge with the bottom edge of the main body. Do this for both sides, ensuring they are identical in size and angle for optimal balance in flight. For better stability, add small upward folds to the back edges of your wings, creating tiny winglets. You can also gently curve the front edges of the wings slightly downward for improved lift. Now, your glider is ready. Give it a gentle toss to test its flight. Make any minor adjustments to the wings or tail until it glides smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.